Welcome back to my food channel, where I show you how to make very simple, delicious dishes that anybody can do. So, let's get started. These are the basic ingredients you're going to need in making a delicious yellow Spanish rice with turkey sausage, large shrimps, chopped garlic, 2 onions, and sazon Goya with achote. Achote is the natural yellow food coloring that gives you that yellow rice. Salt, and today I'm using Carolina short grain, and mixed vegetables. I'm going to put these ingredients together and make a delicious Spanish rice with shrimp and turkey sausage. So let's get started. I'm going to pour 4 cups of water. One tablespoon of salt, 6 packages of sazon Goya with achote, the natural food coloring, then we're going to stir it. Sure we get all the salt and the sazon in the water, and then you're going to taste it. Make sure you don't add too much salt. Perfect. You have to be able to taste the salt when you do this dish. But remember that the turkey sausage also has a little salt. Now we're just going to cover it, get the heat on high, and we're just going to wait till the water starts boiling, and then we'll go to the next step. Now that we've got the rice boiling, we're going to lower the heat, put it on medium, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You could use whatever oil you like. You can use olive oil, it's healthier. I added a little salt, just like 2 teaspoons, because you want the rice to be you want to be able to taste the salt. Now I just want to remind you that for every cup of rice you add a cup of water if you want to have the perfect rice. And you make sure that you wash the rice thoroughly, because the chemicals they add to this rice is not good for you, that they use to bleach the rice. But if you want to use brown rice, feel free to do so, it's healthier. Now we're going to add our turkey sausage. You can get whichever one you like. The one that I use is Hill Farms. I recommend turkey. They have chicken, pork, but I like to use turkey. It's very delicious. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Actually, I add about 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 2 small chopped onions, then you're going to add your 2 pounds of shrimp. If you like shrimp, you're going to love this recipe. These are large shrimps. I cut them in half. Last but not least, we're going to use 4 cups of mixed vegetables. That's why it's important to add 1 big cup of vegetable oil. Now we're just going to cover it. Cover the rice, and we're just going to let it cook on medium heat. It's been 45 minutes actually, and I've been letting it cook on medium heat, and now it's ready to be served. Doesn't that look good? It's ready to be served. Delicious large shrimps, turkey sausages, and mixed vegetables. I hope you enjoy my recipe. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and until next time. And here you got it, my delicious yellow Spanish rice with turkey sausage, large shrimps, and mixed vegetables. I hope you enjoyed the video and the ingredients. Thank you for watching, and until next time. God bless.